Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's do an update on Bonk and FreeBonk, the best bonk faucets online. Get started by logging in with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. Once you're logged into Bonk, your dashboard is on your left. Your Faucet pay-to-click ads and Shortlinks are located here. Your balance is on the top right, and your homepage has a daily claim button. Claim your daily coins, then choose Faucet on your dashboard. Solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. That's it, your balance should be updated. You can claim until you reach the cash out limit. The timer is set to every minute so you can do pay-to-click ads while you wait. Select PTC on your dashboard. Click on one of the ads and view it until the timer runs out. Solve the CAPTCHA and claim your coins. Good job! The withdrawal limit is less than 100 bonk, so you should be able to cash out in no time. When you're ready to cash out, select Withdraw from your dashboard. You can choose from Faucet Pay or C-Wallet. As you can see, all my payments were completed. Next, go to Bonk and do the same thing you did for FreeBonk. Both websites are pretty much the same. The only difference is FreeBonk has an unlimited faucet timer. Select Manual Faucet from your dashboard and solve the CAPTCHA. There is no timer, so you can make unlimited claims. Next, choose PTC and view all of the ads. When you're all done, you can cash out the same way as the last website. Go to your dashboard, select Withdraw, and choose your wallet. As you can see, all my payments were completed. I'm going to cash out 400 bonk to my C-Wallet. Great! Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.